Yo, yole-hee-hoo. What if I started all my videos with a yodel? Okay, hello guys. Let me turn on some light in this bitch so you can see me. Good morning. It's 4:39. Oh, that was not pretty. It is 4:39, now 4:40 a.m. in the morning. Oof. And Abel and I are on the run. We are driving all the way cross country from Arkansas to Santa Fe, New Mexico for 2 nights. And then on the way from Santa Fe to LA for like 3 nights. So I am super, super excited to have Bae in my car over there in Cali, and just like, oh, I don't know, I've just been looking forward to this trip all summer. So we're definitely here to have a good ass time. Sorry, I'm just like, where is my mind? Where? Your girl went to sleep at like midnight, if we're just being completely honest here. So I got like essentially 3 hours of sleep. Because me and Abel just got out of Walmart. Like, we woke up, packed the car, and then went to Walmart. Now Abel is just getting some money out of the ATM, and he's getting back in the car. And we're both like zombie people who can't function properly.
Hey.
This is the start of our journey.
We're both exhausted. Well,
Yeah.
I'm like semi-delirious.
Yeah. I feel like we're like functioning because we have each other.
Yeah.
But
We're both,
I
like,
couldn't do
two
this without like
halves
by
of the brain.
myself. We were just walking through the big Walmart. We usually go to the small neighborhood Walmart. We were walking through the big Walmart for like 30 minutes.
Oh.
Looking for like a couple things, like snacks. But okay, yeah, so onto the road. Getting on the road now. Look at my boy. What's up? Okay, so update. It is 11:27 a.m. and I just got done with my shift. I drove the first half of the trip to Santa Fe. And Abel, I'm so exhausted. Abel was about to take over, and he was sleeping. Like, he slept for like probably like an hour while I was driving, and I drove for like 5 hours, I feel like. But yeah, we're having a good time, honestly, though. Abel's in this gas station getting water, and we're about to fill up more on gas. We're at this gas station in Texas right now, like outside of Amarillo. I am completely and utterly exhausted, y'all. But I'm gonna sleep, bitch. And there's still like 5 hours left, so. Yeah, I turned off the podcast. Pretty blue skies, sparse clouds. Just reached New Mexico. Oh wow, there's some mountainage over there. We're only about an hour and 15 minutes out. Yay! I was able to sleep for like 1 hour, but I feel better. I feel more rested. Now it's just not the same. The little hills in the distance. Did you get the thunder?
No.
Hey guys, we just got to our Airbnb and it is absolutely adorable. I have to show you. So I parked over there, and this is on 5 acres. Abel's exploring over there. And look at this. A storm is rolling in.
We should go that way. It looks really cool.
Okay. I'm trying to like show them the place before we get all messy. And then when you walk in, there's a whole little kitchen right here. Little sitting area. Blue floors. Oh yes. Take your shoes off. Thank you, Abel.
Yeah.
beautiful big plant. Look at this. This wall is my favorite thing ever. It's so beautiful. And all of these plants are real. We got some fresh grapes. There's these windows. This cute little bathroom. What?
It just feels so nice to like lay down.
Yeah. Oh, we've been gone for so long. So me and Abel are super exhausted. Me and Abel are gonna explore this property. We just started walking off and we found this really cool place. You tired, babe? Look at this doggo. Hey, doggo. Just so, like, refreshing here. I don't know. The air is nice and cool and it smells so good. Dog has chosen us.
This dog is a good boy.
So I figured it's probably easier to just do a voiceover for this, but on this day in Santa Fe, I started off by using my moisturizer from Gold Mountain Beauty. What are you watching?
Dr. Phil.
And then I followed that with my Rose Elixir with gold dust flakes in it. It's also from Gold Mountain Beauty. And it's all prepped for my concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. And then I'm setting that with my Il Makiage transparent powder. And your girl has got to do her brows. I'm using my go-to eyebrow pencil as of late. This is by Il Makiage in the shade Blondie. And then I'm using one of my new favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is the ColourPop Strawberry Shake palette, and I'm using the shade Woke all over my eyelids, all up in the crease. Then I'm putting it on the bottom, and then I'm taking that orangey shimmery shade. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I'm putting that on my lids and on the bottom inner corners. And then I'm using my all-time favorite Kush waterproof mascara. And then of course I did mascara out of the frame, so whatever, but then I'm using the Princess Ave contour powder. This is by Tarte. And then I'm using this Sticks Duo by ColourPop, and The blush is super pretty. I just use a brush to apply it, and then I use the highlighter of the same duo that the blush comes from. It's a super pretty gold color, and then I kind of just apply that with my fingertips all over. And then for my lips, I am putting on this Ofra color that I've had forever, and this is the shade Pasadena. Oof, it's so pretty and rosy. And that is my complete look for today. So me and Abel are on the way to see Meow Wolf, the art museum in Santa Fe, and we're super excited. I'll be able to take my camera in and everything, and then we're gonna go eat lunch.
Does that make me crazy? Now to find a parking space. Just a regular.
Oh my god, look at the floor. What's up, guys? So we just got out of Meow Wolf.
What's up, guys?
Oh, sorry, I wasn't even looking at you. I definitely would recommend it.
Yeah.
If you're not a resident, it's $29 per person. But yeah, totally worth it. That's not even that expensive either. Whew. Super packed though. If you don't want it to be packed with a bunch of kids, I would say go in the evening.
I would say go in the morning. I would say go like first thing, and then
No,
because
because
nobody else would be there.
Little kids nap in the evening.
We'll let in, so there can't be that people there.
Okay, yeah, okay, or do that.
Yeah, I would go in the morning.
You pick. But so definitely would recommend. We're starving though, so we're gonna go find some food. Last time I talked to you guys, that was before we ate, and our meal was great. Shared a pear salad and a panini. We went to Trader Joe's and picked up stuff for our dinner tonight, and then now we decided to just look up like the closest park, but we're actually like at the prettiest place ever right now. So we mapped it to the closest park, and it took us to this huge hilltop. These adobe houses are all over Santa Fe. You can see the rain coming down over there from that huge rain cloud. Oh my gosh. Macias Park or something. Macias. Hey, me and Abel are leaving the humble abode of Santa Fe. I'm so sad. Look how beautiful it is. But we are on to something bigger. What?
This shot is so funny.
Oh, sorry, I'm bad at vlogging, guys. Last night I just didn't get to saying goodnight to you because I was just so tired. And oof. We basically just went home after the park yesterday though and just stayed there and went to sleep really early. But now Abel's taking the first leg of the journey, of our 12-hour journey.
Do you want to split it up into 4 shifts or 2 shifts, just like last time?
Well, it's 12 hours now, so maybe,
4 shifts would probably be the best.
yeah, let's do 4. We just had breakfast with the owners, and this is the most beautiful, wholesome little family. If you're watching this, Melanie, thank you, and we love you. LOL, because I told her I'm a YouTuber.
It really was delicious. And
Yeah,
it had
no,
all
it
those
wasn't.
healthy things.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I don't know.
I want to try to tape this up.
Hold up.
Oh wait, babe, you don't have the address. I can.